Mom and Dad, I have good news.
Really, Sara? What good news?
Look, Mom, I got 100 points in math today.
Wow! Sara! Good job, my lovely daughter.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you very much, Mom.
You worked very hard to get this result.
Yes, Mom and Dad, I worked very hard and did all my homework. Mom, I got a good math score too.
Okay, Rose, show me how many points you got.
Okay, Mom, I got 77 points, a B grade.
B is good, Rose, but you have to work harder.
Try your best next time, my love, okay?
Okay, Mom, I will try to practice more.
Do not worry, Rose. You will improve soon.
Sara, wait a minute. We have a surprise for you all.
Really? What is it, Dad?
Open this gift box, and you will be surprised.
Wow, a tablet! Thank you, Dad, Mom, so much.
This tablet will help you study better, Sara.
I will use it to study more and more to make you proud.
Excellent, my dear.
I am happy for Sara, but a bit sad because no one gave me a gift. Awesome! This tablet is amazing! I can play lots of games here. Wow! Sara is having so much fun playing games, and I want to play too. Your tablet is so awesome, and I want to play games with you. Sorry, Rose. Not now. I am playing a game. Why is that, Sara? We are sisters. I studied hard, and this is my reward. Okay, I understand. Have fun playing. If you want a tablet, you have to study hard. Okay, I will try next time.
Look, we need apples and milk for today.
I like eating apples, Mom.
Okay, my love. I will buy lots of apples for juice and breakfast for you.
Thank you, Mom. Look, Rose, there are so many stores here. Right, this is the biggest market in our area.
The apples here are so fresh, Mia.
Yes, I will buy 10 kilograms to eat for a few days.
I hope someone helps me today. I am so hungry.
Wait a minute, Sara. Look at that old man, Ewe.
Oh, he looks really poor.
Can we help him? I am sorry, Rose. I cannot help. Let's go. He looks so hungry, and I will help him. Here, sir. Take this money to buy some food.
Thank you very much. You are a good girl.
Thank you, sir. Please stay healthy.
Look, Rose is giving money to an old beggaress.
Sara ignored him. Rose has a kind heart.
Grades do not say everything, Brian. Kindness is more important, Tale.
You are right. A kind heart is more important than good grade.
Thank you, sir. Thanks to you, I know I have a kind daughter.
Wonderful. That little girl will be successful and happy in the future.
Thank you very much. Wishing your family good health then.
Stay safe, sir.
Today, in the market, we saw one important thing.
Yes, we saw one important thing with the beggar.
Sara ignored him and didn't give him anything. Meanwhile, Rose helped him.
Rose, very wonderful, and I really admire your kindness.
I am sorry, Rose. I should have helped him and—
It is okay, Sara. You can do it in the future.
I only thought about myself. I did not help him.
Okay, Sara. Next time, we will help together.
My lovely daughters, good grades are important, but kindness is the most important.
Yes, always keep your kindness, my dear.
Rose, I have this wonderful gift for you.
Really? For me?
Right, because you showed kindness today.
Dad really likes kind people, because my parents always taught me that since I was young.
Wow, one smartphone. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
So great, Rose. Now you have one new phone. Thank you, Sara, very much. If you want, I will share this phone with you so we can play together. And I will share my tablet with you. We are good sisters.
Grades are important, but kindness is more important, my daughters.
Helping others is something we should all do in life.
That is right, wife. Love you.
I understand now, Rose. Love you. Love you too. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to like and comment on the video. See you in the next time video. See you soon. Love you. Have a great day.